So you copy this address of your the path, the file path where the file is located. Go to your environment variable, click on new, and you just paste. Now I already have it. I don't need to do that. Then the same thing. So you go to the same place, go to look for scripts. Then click on it. Um, Click on the path, copy it, go to environment variable, new, paste. Now like I said, I already have it here. I don't need that, and I'm good. Yep, that will be it. So um now that we installed Python and the virtual environment, some people, like I said, um depending on, you need a text editor, and the text editor is just to help you write your codes, and uh, there's a file explorer there. So it has come a very long way from what we have for Notepad. And so, like me, I have my VS Code. Now, the first thing you should do, always remember that, is um, create a folder that where you want to be writing your codes. Just create a folder for it. Mine, I have learning codes, and I have something specifically for Django. So where I write a lot of my programs, and these are tutorials that I have learned Django with. I've written some programs. So create a new file every time, because Django is project based. So I'll say, uh, what should I name it? Let's say base, uh, based, uh, let me say base first program. I think so. Base underscore first underscore program. Click on OK. Where is it? So this is it. You can open the folder, right click anywhere in the folder, and go to, oh no, sorry, you could go to new, and open command prompt, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, just hold on. There's usually command prompt here. Oh well, that is interesting. I can't. Oh yeah, so open terminal. So you could actually do that, and the reason why I'm opening terminal from here is it's going to automatically take me to the terminal. Usually has like a directory, but this takes me automatically to the folder itself. So the first thing I want to do is to enable my virtual environment. For every Django project you want to do, enable your virtual environment. So in order for you to create a virtual environment for this particular project, you say py or python dash m space virtual env. That's the virtual env library. Then I'll name my virtual env. I'll give it a name, so I can say venv underscore maybe base. I'm going to call it like that. So it's going to take time to create. Also, it has created it already.